The fact that it's like following me is creepy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're going to be doing a different style video today because we are going to be unboxing my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We're going to run through the unboxing and all the accessories that I purchased, and just going to give you guys the rundown on why I purchased this, why I bit the bullet and did it now versus waiting for a newer version. If you didn't know, this version specifically came out in 2023, so I'm the type of person that likes to wait for an upgrade, but we're going to talk all about that. And I am so excited because I love watching these types of videos. I know it's a little bit different for my channel. I think they're so fun to watch and educational if this is a camera that you may or may not want to buy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this arrived 4 days ago and I finally had the time to sit down and unbox it. So let's get started. I purchased this camera from Best Buy and I will talk to you guys about the other retailers that I looked into and why I ended up going with Best Buy. I want to say I ordered this on a Tuesday and it arrived on a Thursday, so it arrived in like 2 days. Let's do this. Obviously we got a bigger box because they put a lot of bubble wrap in here. But here we are. They put my name and address on a sticker on like the plastic part, so I'm gonna take the plastic part out and show you guys the front of the box. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I ended up purchasing the creator combo because I did some research on the other bundles that are out there. If you guys are members at Costco or Sam's Club, they also sell bundles, but those are a little bit different. The specs are different and they have different accessories in those bundles. So I ended up doing my research and feeling like the creator bundle was the best option for me. Retail, the creator bundle goes for around $660, but I am gonna share a little tip with you guys in a little bit on how you can maybe get this bundle for less than that. This is the box that it came in. This kit includes the Osmo Pocket 3, the cables, the covers, the DJI mic, and that mic clip magnet. It also has a handle, a battery handle. It also includes the wide angle lens and the mic cover, the wrist strap, and a mini tripod. I don't know why I feel like I'm opening like an iPhone. I used to love watching iPad unboxings. I think I have an iPad unboxing actually on my channel. Oh, the case. I'm also so excited about the case. I don't know if anyone else does this, but my dad always told me to like save the box. So I have like iPhone boxes of iPhones that I don't even have anymore, probably in my storage. So it looks like this is a sticker maybe? Yeah. Oh, this just looks like a little sticker sheet. And then we just have the little guides and pamphlets for the product. I'm gonna open this box next. All right, that box included the case. I don't know if I'll be using this because I did buy a different protector cover, just a basic cover. I've seen like mixed reviews on this. All right, it is time to open this one here. Oh, this is a really nice case. This is a really nice case. I feel like a lot of the videos and content that I've seen hasn't really given it justice. The material's really, really strong and just overall good quality. I feel like you need that, especially with something like this. We got all the goods in there. First impression, I've actually never held one of these before and it fits perfectly in your palm. It's a little heavier than I expected. I think it's so crazy that this was just in here and like the lens is just fully exposed, but there we have her. Then we have the little microphone. It also has a clip on the back so you can clip that onto your shirt. I do love that the microphone is black and just like looks very simple on your outfit. It doesn't like stand out a lot. I'm excited, but I've also heard that just the DJI in general has a great microphone, so this is optional. Then it looks like we have a battery pack. So this is, you just clip it on and obviously that's a little bit more chunky and extended. Pretty easy to pull off. It is just a USB-C with two little pinchers on the side and the button. I typically have to carry a bigger bag because if you didn't know, this is a random fun fact, but I have a nut allergy, so I have to carry an EpiPen. This is like kind of the size of an EpiPen, so I feel like having the extra battery on hand is something I just will keep in my bag. So I just unboxed this little guy and I'm starting to wonder, is this also a battery? I don't want to say the wrong thing, so I will probably put like a text overlay here. Okay, this doesn't have pictures on it, so it's not that helpful to me. Moving on, I believe the next thing is the tripod. It is, okay. some people say they don't really use this tripod because it is like bigger. I know there's one on TikTok Shop and Amazon that a lot of people have been purchasing. It has like really short legs, so it doesn't take as much space up. We have our strap holder here. Love that. This reminds me of like using the Wii thing. And then we have our little fluffy filter for the microphone that just clips on. It looks like with that plastic piece. Overall, everything in this kit is really great quality. And we have our wide angle lens. I'm really excited to try this. And the one thing that I really like about this is that it is magnetic. So you literally just stick it right on there. It's on the camera right now, and then you can pop it off. If you're unboxing this yourself, you're gonna realize there's so many different little bags and gadgets. Little magnet, which is for, ooh, your microphone. This thing is strong as heck. Your little magnet here. So if you're gonna put this in your shirt, clip it on like that versus having a clip depending on what you're wearing. And then of course we have our charging cable. Now the bag is empty. I do love that there's so many different compartments in this and how compact it is. You can literally throw this entire thing in your bag and travel with it, or you can get a cover for your camera, and I'm gonna walk you guys through a couple accessories that I purchased so far. One thing to call out that the Creator Combo does not have included is an SD card. So if you purchase the kit and you're like, wait, why can't I start? Definitely purchase an SD card. I also did my research on these and found out that the Extreme Pro would be the best bet for this camera. I ended up going with 256 gig, and it comes with the little micro one, and then if you want to use it for a bigger camera, you just slide that disc in. When I got this, it was actually on sale on Amazon, so I will link the one that I purchased just to factor into your budget on how much you're actually going to be spending, even if you're getting a bundle. A couple other things that I got on Amazon. I got this in a combo. So this is the magnetic mount, and I thought this would just be nice to have if I'm like sticking it to my car, sticking it to somewhere at the gym, and this is what it looks like. So pretty much there is a magnet on the back, and there's this little button that releases it, and you can stick this onto any magnetic surface and have your Osmo Pocket sticking out here. And it comes with magnets with the adhesive sticky on the back, so if you have a location that isn't metal or magnetic, you can stick one of these somewhere and have it be a permanent spot. So if you have like a spot in your car on your dashboard, and they give you quite a few. I want to say there's 3 inside here. All right, so now it is locked in, so I can stick it pretty much to anything. This is really nice because again, it keeps it super compact, but I'll probably be using this a lot more than I think. Oh, another reason why I purchased this is because it sits very nicely on flat surfaces. This definitely makes it more stable because you can flatten this out, sit it up, and it has more stability to not fall over. All right, the thing on Amazon is not giving me why these little things exist. If somebody knows, definitely leave it in the comment section because I'm so curious, like what is the purpose of these? Next thing I also picked up from Amazon because it was a bundle was this carrying case right here. It is double-sided, it looks like, versus this one is just single-sided, the one that actually came in the combo. Okay, so this one just has the buttons on the side, and I do like that it all kind of snugs together. And this is what it looks like on with the tripod and with the carrying case. This is probably how I'll be traveling with it and keeping it in my bag because this is super easy to take off. And then I have my tripod connected. We are gonna turn this puppy on. Okay, so it says scan this QR code to download the app, but I'm gonna do that. The app is called DJI Mimo. Okay, so it does ask you if you want to buy the warranty, and I feel like every time I haven't bought in the warranty, I always need it. So I am filling that out and going to purchase actually. Obviously the setup process is going to take a little bit of time. It's actually going through an update right now, but I did want to quickly talk about why I purchased this camera and what drew me to buy it from Best Buy. If you guys didn't know, I do content obviously here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I really want to elevate my Instagram game specifically, and also just continue to put quality content out here on YouTube for vlogs. I think vlogging is so much fun, and this camera seemed like a perfect option for public vlogging and having it on the go with me at all times, just because it captures such beautiful, crispy content. And also I do UGC. If you guys didn't know, that means user generated content. So I film content for brands, and I really wanted to invest in something that could give me that extra boost of confidence when I'm outside my apartment and to produce even better content. So I am really excited. It looks like the update just finished. And before making a big purchase like this, I obviously did a ton of research on reviews and if it was a good fit for me. And I'm also the type of person that tends to wait for the next upgrade in technology, knowing especially that this came out in 2023 and how fast technology moves. I'm like, do I want to buy something that was made 2 years ago? Typically I would say no, but I did so much research on different Reddit threads and what people are saying about the industry, and they're saying that the next Osmo Pocket 4 might not come out until end of 2026. So that is almost 2 years around the clock of content, and my life moving so fast, I feel like why not just get something that I definitely will use like now. Now let's talk about why I got it from Best Buy specifically. So I am a Costco member and I was tempted to get the Costco bundle, but it didn't include all of the different accessories that this creator combo included. And after watching a bunch of TikTok videos, I pretty much got convinced that the creator bundle was best fit for my needs. Now, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, and it is that Best Buy price matches. So Best Buy does price match different retailers, and if you find this specific bundle, it has to be the specific product ID and everything like that. If you find this for somewhere less expensive, like a Walmart, you can actually send that to Best Buy and they will likely price match you. So I ended up getting this bundle for $4.99. Obviously there's tax involved, so it was a little over $500. Definitely a better deal than the ticketed price that it is usually listed for. So that's my sneak peek. They price match, and that is like public information. Truly, thank God for TikTok. I just had to watch a video on how to put the SD card in. And I'm going to do a little bit of a test video because I want to show you guys what the quality looks like in comparison to this. This is a little test drive of the Osmo Pocket. Obviously, it is a different type of quality and color grade. That's another reason why when I was looking into this camera, if I wanted to go for it, because a lot of people have issues editing the color, as you can kind of look dull, but I am kind of an editing crazy type of person where I will download like custom LUTs and things like that to make this work. This is actually like the craziest thing to me, that it is so tiny. You can zoom in right from the pocket of your hand. That's also so crazy. I am so excited. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm obviously so new to this and have no idea what I'm doing, so we'll see. I am so excited to play around and learn more things about this camera. If you guys want to continue watching this journey and following along, definitely subscribe. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like techie style videos like this, give it a thumbs up, or even just unboxings in general, especially as I kind of grow in this side of my business. I am so excited to share the journey with you guys too. Definitely keep a lookout on my upcoming vlogs. I'm so excited to utilize this camera, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.